Okay, a quick one. How to assign resources is pretty simple. Just quickly look at this space here. So you right click here and you click on column, right? That's step one. So step two, go to the left hand side of this and select list. You see the list. Under list, you click on the plus sign to open it. You select resources. Step three, you click on the move add to list to move the resources here. You see the resources here. Then I just bring the resources down by clicking on this down arrow. The resources is now after finish. I click on apply and I click on OK. So the resource column is here now. That's what I just did. I will expand this so that I will be seeing all the resources I'm going to add. Um, s- the next step is to start adding them. So here I'll click on this white column here. A box will open, which is this. You say assign resources. So what I need to do is I'll locate those resources and click on plus button. Under contract award, I'm going to select planner. So I'll just look for the planner. So I'll just look for the planner. I will scroll up. I have my planner here. I'll put planner. Okay. I want to also put civil engineer and PM. See, I click on civil engineer. I click on plus. I want to put the project manager, so I can just search for it. I say PM. PM is here. I click on PM. I say plus. I go to the last one, the same thing. So I will start from, since I have PM here, let me just put PM at once. Then I will go to civil engineer. Then I will go to planner, click here and I press planner. Okay. Then next one is I will come down to direct labor and indirect labor. This is human resources doing their jobs. I'll just come here. I will type HR. Okay, I'll click on the indirect labor. I'll also click on plus for the HR. So this is just pretty hard to assign resources. So at the end, you have assigned your resources. Okay, so thank you and enjoy.